My God, will the problems never stop? Okay, so there's the equation. This is our x naught, right? This is our omega, right? And wow, that's a big car doing that. So what's its total energy? Well, total energy is 1/2 m omega squared x naught squared, right? Okay, so it's 1/2 times 1250, right, times, what's our omega? Oh, 4.42, right? Okay, times x naught, right? So 0.5 times 1250 times 4.42 squared times 0.17 squared is 352.876. Joules, right? Okay, and then it says, what is its kinetic energy at time is 3.50 seconds. Two ways to do this. You could find the x using x equals x naught sine omega t, right? Just like this, use this formula to find x. You could also find the velocity at that point, right? And just use 1 FMV squared. What'll I do? I think I'll find x. Let's find x. Let's jump into these things, right? Let's find x. So I'm just going to plug in there 3.5 seconds. That's going to be 3.5 seconds. It's going to be 0.17 sine of 4.42 times 3.5. Right. So I'm going to type that into the calculator. 0.5. Oh no, sorry. 0.17. 0.17 times sine 4.42 times 3.5, and that's x is 0.400040073. Okay, that's our x, and now I'm going to find the kinetic energy, right? Is 1/2 m omega squared, right, times x naught squared minus x squared, right? Okay, so that is that's equal to 1/2 1250, and then omega is 4.42 squared, right, times our amplitude is 0.17 squared minus 0.040073 squared. Okay, so I'm going to store that in x just for fun. Okay, so 0.5 times 1250 times 4.42 squared times parentheses 0.17 squared minus alpha x squared, right? So that's that value there, right? Parentheses. 333.26. Right. The other way to have done it would have been to say that the velocity equals v naught cos omega t, right? Right. So that would be what would that be? The v naught would be 0.17 times 4.42 cos of 4.42 times 3.5, right? So 0.17 times 4.42. This is, by the way, in front here. This is what v naught is right here. Okay, times cos 4.42 times 3.5. And I get negative 0.73 meters per second. And then I just go 1/2 1250 negative 0.73 with all of its accuracy squared, right? So 0.5 times 1250 times the answer squared, right, is 333.26, right? I was torn between which way I liked better. I really don't know. Some things can't be answered by science alone.